I think there's something else higher up the tree. Look what's here.
Buzzy bees!
Let's see what else there is. I say, look at this.
It's an owl!
Oh, I think I see something else. Onward and upward. Ah!
Correct.
A wonderful...
If
It's a tree house!
Yes, it is wonderful. I have always wanted to live in a tree house. Thank you, everyone.
Hooray!
Madam Gazelle loves tree houses. Everyone loves tree houses.
Good morning, children.
Where is Madame Gazelle?
Here I am.
Oh!
I was wearing a mask.
You were in disguise!
Pig is stuck.
Don't worry, Daddy Pig. I'll have you out in a jiffy.
How?
I'll dig up the playground.
Daddy Pig loves being dug out of concrete. Everyone loves being...
Now, the trick. Here it comes. It's good. Yes. Someone catch it! Yes. Ancient.
Snape.
When does it come back?
Keep a good lookout, kids. That
Great. For you to test.
Daddy Pig is an expert at concrete.
Very good. I hope the train journey wasn't too long and tiring.
No, it...
Oh, goody! We get to sleep on the train again!
Peppa loves long train journeys. Everyone loves long train journeys.
Oh, goody! We get to sleep on the train again!
Peppa loves long train journeys. Everyone loves long train journeys.